Do you know that you don't need the grammar or the vocabulary completely to be able to fluent in English? We always say that I am not good in English because I don't have the words, I don't have vocabulary, I don't know the grammar rules. But it's all not so true. Hi everyone, I am Jyotsna Bidwe and today I am going to tell you the truth of how we can be more fluent in English without having much of vocabulary or grammar. So save this video for later because every single time you feel you are not doing good enough with your English practice fluency, this video is going to help you. So the first important reason we are not fluent in English is we translate. Let me consider a person as an example who speaks Marathi as their mother tongue. A person speaking Marathi, what they will usually do is they will think in Marathi, they will translate the sentences in English, and then they will try to speak. So, in the process, you lose fluency. You don't feel confident enough. So, translation never works, at least when you want to be fluent. If you're practicing to yourself, it's okay. But otherwise, translation is never going to work. So, the core idea to be able to fluently speaking is start thinking in English. Any language for that matter you want to speak. If you want to speak a language, you got to listen to it and you want to think in that language. Only and only then you're going to master it. I mean, this idea itself is so beautiful. Have you ever thought that our thinking, our thoughts also have a language? From the moment you get up in the morning till the time you go to bed, you are constantly thinking of something, one thing or the other, every single moment. The simple thing that you need to do is the thoughts that you have in Marathi, Gujarati, Hindi, or any language that you are thinking in, you need to change that to English. Is it not that simple? And when you are thinking to yourself, when you're talking to yourself, there is nobody to judge you because many times practicing English with others becomes a hesitation because we are not sure how others are going to respond to it. So this is something that I practiced in my life. I come from a rural background. I had no exposure of the language, so I started speaking to myself and it really changed my life beautifully, and that is what I tell my participants also to do. So I want you to do this. I know that it is going to be difficult in the beginning, so what you can do is you can decide a time when you're going to think in English or you're going to talk to yourself in English. Maybe in the morning when you get up, or you can even set alarms. And whenever the alarm rings, you remind yourself to think in English. So these are very simple things, doable things, practical things that you can really implement and get the results very quickly. One more benefit of thinking in English or talking to yourself in English is it gets so natural onto you that you don't have to put in conscious efforts to talk to others in English. When your internal dialogue is in English, you automatically start speaking with others in English. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to share many more ways you can really enhance, improve your English language skills in every sense. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care, keep evolving.